All right, we're gonna try to teach you all a ancient Hasidic nigun. Just the refrain part. This is one of Yoni's favorites, so special dedicated to Yoni. So this song comes from one of the early Hasidic masters. His name was the Shpola Zayda. Others called him Reb Leib Soris. Lived in a town called Shpola, which is in the Ukraine. And he would sing this. Song. It has words in Hebrew, followed by their translation in Yiddish, even a translation in Russian, and so there's the words, and then there's kind of the melody that answers every phrase. So we'll teach you this part. It's very simple. Yira, yira, yiram, yira, yira, ra, ra, yira, yira, ra, 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 yira, yira, yiram, yira, 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 yiram, yira, yira, yiram, yira, yira, ra, ra, ra. Try it again.
Okay.
Yira, yira, ra, yira, 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 yira. Ay la ira ira ira, ira ira ira, ira ira ra ra ra, ira ira ra ra, ay la ira ra, ay la ira ira ira, ira ira ira, ira ira ra ra ra. Okay, now for the Hebrew part. Ikoi levaya ono yichishoy meya yom labonim koireya. Let me translate. It's almost like a game of Marco Polo between a father and a son, and they're searching for each other. So the son is in the forest, Koil Bayar, a voice in the forest, searching for his father. And the father says, "My son, where are you? I'm looking for you as well. Where are you? Let's try to find the middle ground." So that's the content of the song. And now the Yiddish translation. Agishrei yunagival, yunagepilde, afoterinval, sucht seine Kinder, tirai narara, mailai raidam. Ay la ira ira ira, ira ira ira, ira ira ra ra ra, ira ira ra ra, ay la ira ira, ay la ira ira ira, ira ira ira, ira ira ra ra ra. Let's try one more time. Ira ira ra ra, ay la ira ira. Ay la ira ira ira, ira ira ira, ira ira ra ira. Pretty good. You guys did okay. All right.